Class 8 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter is mensuration second and that is exercise 15.1. Let us start what will be in your exercise. So first one, a rectangular solid that has length, breadth and height. As you have seen, there is the three dimension and which is called as a cuboid. So cuboid, you can see how can form the cuboid. You can see this type, and the second you can form like this and join to all like this. It is your cuboid, so it has one length, one breadth and one height. So a cuboid has six faces. इसमें आपको six rectangular faces मिलेगी. So that is the six faces. You can see here six rectangular faces and 12 edges. Edges is this one. This line is called as edge. So these are the how many? That is the 12. And 8 vertices. Vertices means this one. This is a vertices. This one is vertices. So 4 upward में होंगे और 4 ही downwards में होंगे. यहाँ पे ये पूरे कितने होंगे? 8 हो जाएंगे. 8 vertices हैं. तो आपको ध्यान रखना है 8 vertices, 12 edges. How can say 12? 4 तो ऊपर साइड में है, 4 लोअर साइड में है और 4 इसके साइड्स में है. Now come to the third. A cuboid with equal length, breadth and height is called a cube. In cube, you can say all the sides, length, breadth and all are equal. So you can write like this one, this one, this one, this one. So all sides are A. Now, to determine the volume of a cuboid, we multiply length, breadth and height H. So we have to formula volume is equal to V and length into breadth into height. So that is the formula of volume. But in case of cube, volume of cube, that is the side cube. So you can write volume of cube, that is the V is equal to A cube. So you have to learn this type of formula. Now come to the next one, that is the 6th point. The unit of volume is always, remember, a cubic unit. It is equal to volume of a cube having 1 unit length, 1 unit breadth and 1 unit height. Now 7. The sum of area of all the rectangular faces of a cuboid is called its total surface area and is given by this one. So you can write first one, total surface area is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So that is the formula. So you can write here 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Now the total surface area of a cube, that is the 6 side square. So total surface area of cube, that is the 6A square. You can write. So in this cube, so you can say length is equal to breadth is equal to height and it is A. That is the side. Now 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power 6 centimeter. 1 meter cube means that is the 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So how many zeros? So 10 to the power, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. So you can say 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. And that is the 1 meter cube. So ये रिलेशनशिप आपको लर्न करके याद रखनी है, कहीं जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम इसको यूज कर लेंगे. नाउ कम टू द एग्जांपल नंबर 1. द लेंथ, breadth and height of a cuboid are given. That is the 4 centimeter, length is given as 4 centimeter and the breadth is given as 3 centimeter. So you can write B is equal to 3 centimeter and the height is 2 centimeter. So you have to write height 2 centimeter. Find the volume. Volume is equal to formula क्या होता है आप लोगों को पता है? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given as 4, breadth is given as 3 and height is 2. So 4 3 are 12 and 12 2 are 24 centimeter cube. So that is the unit and it's your answer. Now come to the example number 2. If the side of a cube is 5 centimeter, find its volume. So cube side को हम A से शो करते हैं, that is the 5 centimeter. So volume of cube is equal to A cube. So A cube means 5 cube. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that is the 125 centimeter cube. So that is the answer. So you can write here volume of cube. Now come to the example third. Each side of a cube is 6 centimeter. How many cube of a side 2 centimeter can be cut out of from cube? So first cube, side of first cube is equal to 6 centimeter. Given as 6 centimeter. So volume of first cube, you can write here volume of first cube, that is A cube. So you have to write 6 cube. So 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. Now volume side of second cube, you can write here side of second cube is equal to how much? It is 2 centimeter. Now volume of second cube, that is the side cube, that is the A cube. So you have to write 2 cube. So that is the 2 into 2 into 2 centimeter cube. So number of cubes, cut the how many number of cubes. So you can write here number of cubes is equal to volume of first cube upon volume of second cube. So you can write here volume of first cube, that is the 6 into 6 into 6, and volume of second, that is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So we get 3 into 3 into 3. So how much? 3 3 ja 9 and 9 3 ja 27 cube. So that is your answer. Number of cube 27 cubes. Example 4. The volume of a wooden cuboid is 36 centimeter cube. So you can write here volume. Volume is given as 36 centimeter cube. Its length is given as 4 centimeter. So you have to write length is equal to 4 centimeter. And breadth is also given as 3 centimeter. So you have to write breadth. It is 3 centimeter. Find its height. Height find करना है. So we have the formula. So height is equal to volume upon length into breadth. Now put the value. Volume is 36, length is 4, and breadth is 3. So 4 9 ja 36, and 3 1 ja 3, and 3 3 ja 6. So that is the 3 centimeter, and that one is your answer. फॉर्मूला आपको वही लर्न करना है. वॉल्यूम का जो होता है वही फॉर्मूला होता है. वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू कितना होता है? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. इसी से हम हाइट का फॉर्मूला बना लेते हैं. कोई सा भी फॉर्मूला इससे बना सकते हैं आप लोग. हाइट इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? वॉल्यूम अपॉन लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. इससे हम लेंथ भी निकाल सकते हैं, ब्रेथ भी निकाल सकते हैं और हाइट भी निकाल सकते हैं. सो यू कैन डू एनी वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट. सो लेट अस कम टू द एग्जांपल 5. द लेंथ ऑफ ए क्यूबॉइड इज 1 मीटर. So length is given as, you can write here length is equal to 1 meter. Change into centimeter. So it may be, that is the 100 of centimeter. Now breadth is given as 50 centimeters. So you can write here breadth it is 50 centimeter. And height is also given. Height is given as 20 centimeters. Now find the volume. So volume is the question mark. So volume, you can apply the formula. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given as, that is the 100 centimeter, and breadth is given as 50 centimeter, and the height is 20 centimeter. So you can multiply to this. It is 100 into 5 to the 10 and double zero. So you can see how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write 10 to the power 5 centimeter cube, and that one is the answer. Now example 6. In each edge of a cube is 4 times. Then how many times will be the volume? Each edge of a cube is made 4 times. Then how many times will its volume? So you can see here volume 4 times. So let the first volume. Let the edge of first, which one first? First cube, that is A. So volume of first cube, is equal to A cube. It is A cube. Now the edge of second volume, you can write here. The edge of second cube, that is the 4 times. So you have to write 4m. So volume of second cube. So you can write volume of second cube. That is the 4a cube. That means 4 4 ja 16 and 64 ja 64a cube. So you can write here volume of second cube upon volume of first cube. So you can write here volume, that is the V1, and its volume is V2. So now find the V2 upon V1. That is the V2, that is the 64 of A cube, and here is A cube only. A cube cut it. So V2 upon V1 is equal to 64. So you have to write 64 times. So that one is your answer. Come to the exercise, that is the 15.1. Now fill in the blanks. How can fill in the blanks? A cuboid has a total. How many faces? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था मैंने. The cuboid has a total of 6 faces. It has 6 faces. Now length of cuboid is volume of cuboid into breadth into, that is the height. Now 1 cubic meter is equal to how much? It is 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeter. So you have to learn this one and fill in the blanks. Now come to the second question. A water tank of 3 meter long. So that is the length. Length is given as 3 meter. Now 2 meter broad, that is the breadth. Breadth is equal to 2 meter. Now deep, that is the height. So you can write height. Height is equal to 1 meter. What is the capacity of the tank? So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. It is given. So now find the volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given as 3 meter and breadth is 2 and it is 1. It is meter cube. So you can say it is 6 meter cube. Now it is changed into liter. How can change? So 6 multiplied by 1000. So it is liter. Liter in the short form you can say LT. So it is the 6,000 liter. So you can say capacity of the tank is equal to 600 liter. So that is your answer. Now come to the third question. If the length, breadth and height of a tea box is 10 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively, find the volume. So length is given as 10 centimeter. It is given here. Now 7 centimeter is breadth. Breadth is given as 7 centimeter. Now 4, that is the height. So you have to write the height is equal to 4 centimeter. Now volume. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given as 10 centimeter, breadth is given as 7 centimeter and it is 4 centimeter. So how much? 7 4 ja 28 and 1 0. So 280 centimeter cube. So that one is your answer. Now come to the fourth question. Length, breadth and the height of a chalk box is given as 15 centimeter. So length is given as, you can write here, length of box, that is the 15 centimeter. So breadth is given as 10 centimeter. And the height is 8 centimeter. Now volume, you can find the volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is given as 15 centimeter, breadth is given as 10 centimeter and height is 8. So now multiply this. 8 5 ja 40 and 8 1 ja 8 and 4 12. So 1200 centimeter cube. So that one is your answer. The question number 5. Different measurements of a cubical shapes are given below. Find their volumes. So first, serial number 1, length is given as 10 centimeter. So you have to length is equal to 10 centimeter and breadth it is given as 5 centimeter and the height it is given as 3 centimeter. So you have to find volume. Volume, first you apply the formula. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given as 10 centimeter, breadth is given as 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So 5 3 are 15 and 1 0. That is the centimeter cube. So that one is your answer. Now come to the sixth part of this one. Length is given 60 millimeter. First change into centimeter. So 60 divided by 10, it is in centimeter. So length is equal to 0, cancel with 0. So length is equal to 6 centimeter. Now breadth, you have to see, breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. It is given here, breadth is 5 centimeter. And now height is given as 4 centimeter. So you have to write 4 centimeter. Now the formula of volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given as 6 centimeter and it is the 5 centimeter and height is 4. So you can multiply to this. 6 5 are 30 and 3 4 are 12. So 120 centimeter cube. So that one is your answer. Now come to the seventh part of this question. This is the seventh part. So length is given as, so you have to write here length. Length is given as 12 centimeter. Now breadth, it is given as 70 millimeter. First change into centimeter. So 70 divided by 10, it is changed into centimeter. So 0 will be cancelled out. So we get 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter is breadth. It is breadth. Now height. Height is given as 20 millimeter. It is also changed into centimeter. So divided by 10. So it becomes centimeter. So 0 cancel with 0. So we get 2 centimeter. Now apply the formula of volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is equal to how much? It is given here. Length is 12 centimeters given here. So it is 12 and breadth is 7 centimeters. So 7 and here is the 2. So you have to write here 2. So what will be upon? It is 12 and 7 to the 14. Now multiply here. It is 168 centimeter cube. Now come to the eighth part of this question. It is eighth part. So length is given as 1 meter and breadth is 25 centimeter and height is 150 centimeters. First of all, you can change in 1 unit. So length is given as 1 meter. Change into centimeter. So it is multiplied by 100. So you can say 100 centimeter. Now breadth, it is 25 centimeter. It is given here, breadth is given as 25 centimeter. And now height. Height is given as 150 millimeter. So you can say 150 millimeter. First change into centimeter. So 150 divided by 10. So it will be changed into centimeter. So 0 cancel to 0. So we get 15 centimeter. Now apply the formula of volume. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Now put the value. Length is given as how much? Length is given as 100 centimeter. So you have to write 100 and breadth is given as 25 centimeter. So you can write here 25 centimeter and height is that is the 15 centimeter. So 15 now multiplied to all. So 15 5 ja 75 to 5 here. 15 to the 30 and 7 that is 37 and double 0 is here and the unit is centimeter cube. So that will be your answer. Now come to the question number 6. The volume of a wooden block is given as 480 cubic centimeters. So you can write here volume. Volume is equal to 480 centimeter cube. So you can write centimeter cube. Its length and breadth are given 10 centimeter. So length is equal to 10 centimeter and breadth is also given 6 centimeter. So you can write here breadth. It is 6 centimeter. Now find the height. So we have the formula for height. So you have to write here height is equal to volume upon length into breadth. Now volume is given as 480 and the length is that is 10 and the breadth is 6. So 0 will be cancelled here. This 0 and 6 1 ja 6 and 6 8 ja. So it will be 8 centimeters. So that one is your answer. So you have to write height is equal to 8 centimeters. Now come to the seventh question. One side of a cube is 25 centimeters. So you can write here A is equal to 25 centimeters. How many cubes of side 5 centimeter can be cut out from the given cube? So it is A1. So first of volume of first cube, volume of first cube. Here is A2 is also given. A2 is 5 centimeter. Volume of first cube, that is the A1 cube. So you have to write here 25 cube. And here is 25 into 25 into 25 centimeter cube. Now volume of second cube, you can write here volume of second cube. That is A2 cube. So put the value of A2, that is the 5. So 5 cube. So you have to write 5 into 5 into 5 centimeter cube. So number of cube, you can write here number of cube is equal to volume of first cube, volume of first cube upon volume of second cube. Now you can put here number, it is the n, and you can say it is the V2 upon first cube, that is the 1. You can write V1 upon V2. So that cube is, so first cube, that is the V1, and the second cube, that is the V2. V2, not, it is V2. Now number of this one, so you can write here number is equal to V1 is, that is the 25 into 25 into 25, and V2, that is the 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25, and 5 1 ja 5, and 5 1 ja 5. Once again 5 1 ja 5, and 5 5 ja 25. So n is equal to 25 into 5. So n will be equal to 125 cubes. So you can write here 125 cubes, and that is your answer. So number of cubes is 125. So let us see question number 8. The length, breadth and height of the room are given 5 meter, 4.5 meter and 3 meter respectively. So you can write here length. Length is given as 5 meter and breadth is 4.5. So you have to write here breadth. Breadth is equal to 4.5 meter and the height, it will be 3 meter. Now find the volume. So you can write the volume. Volume will be equal to length into breadth into height. Now put the value. Length is given as 5 meter, breadth is 4.5 and it is 3. Now multiply this. 5 3 is 15 into 4.5. Now multiply here. Now 15 5 is 75. So 5 is here, 7 is carry. So you can write here 7. And 5 4 is 60 and 7 67. And that is the meter cube. So that one is your answer. So you have to write a volume of air. Here we can say here volume of air in the room will be equal to 67.5 meter cube. So that one is your answer. Otherwise you can say here. Now come to the question number 9. A cuboidal diesel tank of a length 2 meter, breadth is 2 meter and depth is 40 centimeter. Find its capacity in liter. Now length is given as length is given as 2 meters and breadth is given as 2 meter also, and the depth, that is the height is given as how much? Height is 40 centimeter. 40 change into meter, so 40 and divided by 100, so it will be changed into meter. So 0 cancel out, so 4 upon 10, so it will be 0.4 meter. Now find the volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Now put the value. Length is given as 2 meter, it is given here. Breadth is 2 meter also, so you have to write 2 meter, and the height is 0.4 meter. So you can write here 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 16. So 1.6 meter cube. But as you know, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Now put the value here. Now 1.6 and multiply by 1000, so it becomes in liter. So you can multiply here. So 1600. Yes, 1600 liter. So that one is your answer. Now come to the 10th question. A swimming pool of 25 meter long. So you can write the length. Length of swimming pool, that is the 25 meter. And the long 25 meter broad. So that is the breadth. It is given as 13 meter. It is given here 13 meter broad, and the 325 cubic meter water is poured into it. So that is the volume. Volume is given as 325 meter cube. Now, what will be the height of the water tank pool? That means that we want to find the height. Height is question mark. So we have the formula for height. Height will be equal to volume upon length into breadth. So volume is given as 325, length is given as 25, it is here, and breadth is 13. So you have to multiply by 13 this one. Now 5 5 ja, and here is 5 6 ja 30 and 5 5 ja 25. Once again 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 ja 15. And then 13 1 ja 13 and here is 13 1 ja 30. So length is 1 meter. So that will be your answer. That is height is 1 meter. So that one is your answer. So you can write here also height of water in the pool. So you can write height of water in the pool. That is 1 meter. Now come to the question number 11. The age of a cubical disc is 1.2 centimeter. So that is the A. A is 1.2 centimeter. Find its volume. So volume is equal to that is the A cube. It is A cube. So A is 1.2 and whole cube, that is the 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. And the multiply by this, how can multiply? So 1.2 multiplied to 1.2, we get 1.44. Now once again multiply to 1.2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. And here is the 1 4 ja and 4 and here is 1. Now adding this 8, 8 plus 4, that is the 12. Here is 6 and 1 7 and 1 is here. And put the point up to 3 decimal, 1 2 3, that is the. So it is the 1.728 centimeter cube. So that one is your answer. So you can write the volume of this one. Now come to the 12th question. A well is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 9 meter deep. It has water filled up to the height of 6 meter. Find the capacity to well and the present volume of the water filled into it. So you can see here, first up of length. Length is given as 8 meter and breadth is given as 6 meter. It is 6 meter. You can say here it is 6 meter. And the height is 9 meter. So you have to write height. Height is equal to 9 meter. Now capacity of, so question is capacity of the well. So you can write here capacity of well is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given as 8 meter, height is 6 and it is 9. Now multiply to this one. How much? 8 6 ja 48 and multiply by 9. 9 8 ja 72. So 7 is carry, or 9 4 ja 36, or 36 and 7. That is the 43. So that one is the 432 meter cube. So that one is the answer. For water, height is 6 centimeter. You have to see 6 meter. For water, you can write here for water. Height, it is given as 6 meter. So volume of water, you can write here volume of water. It is volume of water, that means the formula is length, breadth into height. So length is given as, length तो यही रहेगी हमारी 8 मीटर ही, breadth भी यही रहेगी, that means 6 meter, and height it will be changed into 6. Now 8 into 6 is the 36. Now multiply to this. It is 288 centimeter cube or meter cube. You can write here meter cube. So that one is your second answer. Now come to the 13th question. A tank has 5 meter long. That is the length. Length is equal to 5 meter. And 5 meter wide. So that is the breadth. It is 4 meter and 3 meter deep. So you can write the height. Height is equal to 3 meter. Find the capacity of the tank. If the tank is filled water up to 2 meter, then find the volume. Then find its volume. So first of all, capacity of tank. Capacity of tank. It is the length into breadth into height. So put the value. Length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 and height is 3. So you have to write 5 4 ja 20 and 2 3 ja 6. So that is the 60 meter cube. So that one is the answer. That is the capacity of tank. So volume of water. अब ये निकालना है volume of water. It is also length into breadth into height, but height is given as for water. It is 2 meter. So you have to write 2 meter. So length is given as, length is here. Length आपकी same रहेगी. That is the 5 meter. Breadth is also 4 meter. So you have to write 4 meter. And height, water की height लेनी है only 2 meter. So 5 to 10 and 4 10 40 meter cube. So that one is your answer. Now come to the 14th question. A brick of 20 centimeter long, 10 centimeter broad and 6 centimeter high. How many bricks will be required to make wall? 60 meter long, 6.25 meter wide and 2 meter high. So first of all, length of wall. You can write here length of wall. That is the 60 meter. You can write here 60 meter, but change into centimeter. 60 and the double zero, so it will be changed into centimeter. Now length of wall is, now breadth of wall. It is given as 0.25 meters. So you can write here 0.25 meter. So it will be also changed into centimeters, 25 centimeter. Now height is given as, so breadth of wall, height is height of wall. That is the 2 meter height. So it will also change into centimeter. So volume of wall, you can write here volume of wall is equal to a length into breadth into height. So length is given as, that is the 6,000, and breadth is given as, that is the 25 centimeters. So you have to write 25, and the height is 200 centimeters. So 200, it is centimeter cube. Now volume of one brick, that is length into breadth into height. So length is 20, this is given as 20 here, and breadth is 10 centimeters, so it is 10, and height is the 6 centimeters. So you can write 6 centimeter cube. So number of bricks, you can write here number of bricks. That is the volume of wall upon volume of one brick. Now put the value. Volume of wall is given as 6,025 and the 200, and here is the volume of brick, that is the 20 into 10 into 6. Now double zero is cutting with this zero, and 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2 here. Now 6 1 are 6 and 6,000 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे बच्चों, and now we can say it is 1000 into 25. So you can write here 25,000 bricks. So that one is your answer. The exercise is finished. Now you can see this red color subscribe button. So you can push the subscribe button and share to all. And I think you can like my video. I hope you can like this. So thank you. Have a nice day. इसी के साथ मैं समाप्त करता हूं, और इसके साथ साथ थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।